Hello everyone, welcome to HTML level 2 part 4. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create my schedule. Alright, so let's go to the agenda for this lesson, the tasks that I have for us. So here is the table tag like I taught in the previous lesson. So I'll be using this table tag to add a table to your code, the code I taught you in the previous lesson, and this code will represent your daily learning schedule. Okay, so this head, that is th is t head, and this table head, it will represent the table headers. So we'll be using this so that it serves as the title of our table. Then this table row is the table we'll be declaring in our table after the table. So we'll be using some empty tables data, that is the table cell. So it's very, very important we use this so that it can maintain the table structure of what we are about to do. Then we'll be applying some borders to our table. Then it's possible we might be using the cospan. I've taught you how to use cospan when you can make two table cells together. Okay, so let's quickly put this into practice so that we understand how this schedule works. So alright guys, so I'll be using my level 2 HTML. So this is the same file I'll be using since I'm still working on level 2. So I'll open this, then locate where I stopped. So I stopped at the table, the first table. So I will continue after this table and then write some content. Okay, so this time to use a comment in HTML, there are different ways you can use comment. I think there's a lesson on comments that you need to understand. So when I get to the HTML comments, I will explain better to you. Okay, so this time let me move without the comment for now. Later I'll be applying the HTML comments. Alright, so I'm going to add my code to this table, but before I add, let me add an horizontal line. So I will say HR, then close. So this time I can push it down and write my code. So first, before you write a table, you have to declare the table tag. So this is the table element, so I will say table, then you can space and then write your border. Remember, border is very important so that you can assign 1 or 2 is the thickness. So I will say 1 here, then let's close, then you can push it down. So immediately after your table tag, you insert your table row. So here, this is my first row, I can push it down. Then you need a table data. So this time, because this is my first header, the first row, so I will name it as a title. So I will use table head throughout here. So table head, I'll put it as day, the Monday to Friday. So I will say table head, that's th, then I can put day, then let's add another th, small letter th, then I can put Monday, then another, so th, Tuesday, then another, we are going to Friday, table head, Wednesday, then another, which is table head, that's Thursday, then last one, table head, so I'll say th, so let me use capital letter, I have to be careful, so th, then say Friday. Okay, so I've done this as my table row. So I use table data as table head here instead of table data, so this will be more bolder. So the next time I'll be using table data, it will come as a regular text. So I'll continue from the end of this table row and push it down, then open a new table row, which is for row 2. I will say tr, close, then push it down. In between table row, I'll write table data, I will say td, then close. So this first one, as you can see, let's look at this together. So there are 6 table head here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So which means that the every time I'm putting the first table row on every time I'm putting first table data rather, so it will come under this table head. So this first one I'm about to put now will come under day. The next one I'll put after this will come under Monday. So just watch me. So this first one I'll put it to 8 a.m. I will say 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So you can just put it this way. You can write your time anyhow. Then on Monday, the next one now I'm putting now will come under Monday. So on Monday I'll be writing a different thing. So you can write whatever you want here as your schedule depending on how you want it. So here I will write learn. I will say table data learn. Then on Monday, throughout Monday I'm not doing anything again. So it's very important you understand this. Very important. So on Monday I only have one thing, table data, which shows that all my table data will now be empty. So this is 2 remaining 4. I will say td. I'll leave it as empty. Then declare another td, leave it as empty, declare another td, leave it as empty, and then declare the last one td. Ensure it's sum up to 6 so it doesn't pass 6. So this is my table data. Okay, so let me view this so that you can see how it was before we continue. So I will view and you will see learn on Monday for 8 o'clock to 9, as you can see at the bottom here. So you can see is day. Look at my table head. My table head is in bold while my table data is in regular text. So on Monday, on this day, Monday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. on Monday I'm learning. So on Tuesday by 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'm not doing anything. Wednesday I'm not doing anything. Thursday I'm not doing anything. Friday I'm not doing anything. So I will continue from another table row. So this time I will come at the end of this closing tag for table row, then add another table row. So I will say tr, push it down, then let's add our table data, td, close. So this td I will start with time. Here I started with 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, then I will say 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then I can come to the end and add the other 5 table data. So I'll say td, close. I've done one on Monday, so let me go to Tuesday, td, close. Here on Tuesday I'm going to say, since I've declared learn, so let me say I am practicing. I will say practice. Okay, on Wednesday I'm not doing anything. So on Thursday I'm not doing anything. Then on Friday I'm not doing anything. Okay, so this is complete already. You can see the assist already. Okay, so I will come here again, add, this is for Tuesday, let's go to Wednesday, then add a table row, tr, then close, push it down, your table data, td, then close. So here I will say 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. then I can push it down. So on Monday I'm not having, by this time on Monday I don't have anything. I will say td. On Tuesday, okay, let me close it, td. On Tuesday I don't have anything, so I will say td. On Tuesday I don't have anything. Then on Wednesday I have something. I will say td. On Wednesday I will say coding, so I'll be coding on Wednesday. Then on Thursday I'll put td. I don't have anything. Then last one on Friday TD, I don't have anything. Okay, so let me change the capital letter. So I don't have anything. Okay, so this is for 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. That's Wednesday, remaining Thursday and Friday. So let's move here and add the next table row. I'll say TR, close, push it down, then TD. So yeah, I'll say TD. I'll move on fast now, push it down. That is 11 a.m. So before you push it down, this is not a row, so you can just leave it this way. So 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Then you can come down on Monday. I don't have anything, so you can copy it instead of wasting time. So on Monday I don't have anything. On Tuesday, I don't have anything. On Wednesday I don't have anything. Then on Thursday I have something, so I'll say TD. So on Wednesday, since I've done practice, I've done coding, so let me say I want to play on Wednesday, so I will say play. Okay, then that's for Thursday. Then on Friday I don't have anything, so that's complete. Then I come here, add the last one, the last table row, TR. Then you can push it down, your table data, then TD. So here I will say 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Then you can push it down, add the first table row, table data on Monday, so that is TD. So Monday I don't have anything by this time on Monday, so I won't put anything. Then Tuesday, TD, I don't have anything, so I'll leave it. Then Wednesday, TD, I don't have anything. Thursday, TD, I don't have anything. Then Friday, TD, I have something, so I will say dance. Okay, so I want to dance here. So I'm done with this code now, as you can see. So starting from the beginning here, where we have our table row, this is the table head, is the title, while the other ones are table data. So it has dates, it has time, and I choose the day I'm going to do this. So let's go view this and see how it works. So I'll click on my play sign. So as you can see from the bottom of the screen, so you can see my schedule. This is my schedule. So this is day Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 8 o'clock to 9 a.m. I am learning. 9 o'clock to 10 a.m. I am practicing. Then 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'll be coding. Then 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Thursday I'll be playing, and 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. on Friday I'll be dancing. So what you can also do is at the top of this border you can put the H2 after the horizontal line. So push it down and say H2. So your H2, you can write my coding schedule. Okay, so let's go view it. It will serve as a title, so whoever is viewing it will be able to see your schedule. So this is your coding schedule, as you can see here. Alright, so you can do this on your own. Ensure you screenshot your preview page, send on the group. This is your code. It's very simple. Just try to ensure that your code are well aligned. So if they are not in straight line, so you should know something is wrong. So I try to adjust it. Okay, so you can send the assignment on the group.